Hello friends, today I bring to you another sourdough starter bread recipe India that you will love to decor. This is a gluten-free recipe. You need 1/4 cup of water plus 2 tablespoons extra. Heat it, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of golden syrup or honey, half cup of jowar or sorghum flour and turn off the flame. Now start mixing it. Mix it really well and then we'll need to cover it for at least 10 minutes. You can cover it for up to 30 minutes. Mix and cover. After 10 minutes the dough has cooled down and the next step is to knead it. Since it is completely gluten free, so kneading gluten free breads or dough is tough because there is no gluten that gives elasticity to the dough. So at this stage we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of sourdough starter, and this is sourdough starter that I prepared with whole wheat. However, for this recipe what I did was for this recipe add half teaspoon of water as well on top of the starter and then start mixing the starter into the dough. So I was telling you about this sourdough starter. What I did was I took out half teaspoon of the whole wheat sourdough starter and started feeding it with 1 tablespoon of jowar flour plus 1 tablespoon of water, and I did it for at least 3 or 4 days, and after that I have my gluten-free sourdough starter ready that I can use for baking gluten-free bread recipe. So after covering it for 10 minutes you will start kneading it again. Kneading is just like forcing it with your hands, but force it gently, don't be harsh on it. Continue to press and then we'll make it a round ball. Make it into a round ball and then shift to an airtight container and refrigerate overnight or for at least 6 to 10 minutes. And for this recipe I have used vegan cream cheese. So let's make vegan cream cheese with 8 to 10 cashews and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Soak in 1 cup of water for at least 1 hour. You can keep it for 2 to 4 hours as well. Now after 2 hours add 2 garlic cloves, put it into the grinder and we'll be turning it into paste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black salt and half cup of mint leaves or coriander leaves. Grind to paste or puree it and then pour it into a vessel and start cooking. Cook it until it gets gooey. It will start to thicken quickly. It has already started thickening and it will continue to thicken even after you stop heating. At this stage you can turn off the flame. Now add half teaspoon of flax meal. This is optional, but I always try to include flax seeds in my diet for the extra omega-3 punch. Now turn off the heat and keep it aside. You can add 1 lime after it cools down, and also if possible try to add zest of 1 lime too. That will add flavor to it, lemony flavor to the vegan cream cheese. And this is how you can scrap the lemon zest. And now mix and refrigerate. So now this has been proofing for at least 8 to 10 hours in the refrigerator, and after that I removed it and kept it outside for 2 hours. After 2 hours gently press it and we'll give it the shapes of round balls to make buns, gluten-free buns with jowar or sorghum flour. Be very gentle with your bread dough. You don't ever need to be hard with it. Make small buns, small balls. Grease a thali or baking tray. Since I bake in an air fryer, I always bake in steel utensils. Stainless steel utensils. Now make small balls. Since jowar has no gluten, so the dough tends to break, but worry not. You will get soft, chewy jowar bread buns that are gluten free and with sourdough. You don't need any yeast, extra commercial yeast or baking powder or soda for this recipe. Now keep it aside for 1 hour. Cover it and keep it aside for 1 hour. Brush with olive oil. After 1 hour, brush with olive oil. They have risen and they have started cracking as well. Pour homemade vegan cream cheese or cheese sauce that we have prepared and top it with flax meal as well. At this stage, preheat oven air fryer OTG convection to 200 degrees for 10 minutes and air fryer can be preheated for 5 minutes only. Now top it with flax seeds, flax meal. Little more cream cheese will also go in. It will enhance the flavor of these jowar bread buns. And then these are ready to go into the air fryer and bake these for at least 20 minutes first, and then check after 20 minutes. Check these. Brush with olive oil again and bake for 5 minutes more. And after 5 minutes, remove them from the air fryer and you can cover them with a moist towel for 10 to 30 minutes, and these are really very soft and yummy as well. So these make a delicious breakfast or snack as well. Cheesy jowar bread buns with sourdough starter. So if you have any doubt regarding this recipe, please write to me in comments. I hope you like this recipe. Take care until next time. Bye bye.